In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in Glide. Workflows are the behind-the-scenes automations that help your app respond to what users do. We'll walk through creating one from scratch so you can confidently automate tasks without writing code. First, go to Glide in your browser and sign in to your account. Open the project you want to edit so you're working in the right app. It's a good habit to confirm you're in the correct environment and data source before making changes. At the top of the editor, click Workflows. This switches you into the Visual Workflow Builder, where you can design logic step by step. Click New Workflow to start a fresh one. Glide will create a blank canvas and show a panel where you'll configure each part. Begin by choosing a trigger. The trigger is what starts your workflow, such as a button tap, a form submission, or a row change. Pick the trigger that matches the moment you want your automation to run. The more specific your trigger, the easier it is to reason about your app's behavior. Next, select an action. Actions are what Glide should do when the trigger fires. You might add or update a row, show a notification, navigate to a screen, or call a connected service. As you select an action, fill in the required details, like which table and which fields are affected. Keep an eye on any dynamic values that reference the current row or user, so the action targets exactly what you intend. If your process needs a few things to happen in sequence, add more steps as needed. You can chain multiple actions and even branch logic based on conditions you define. Keep steps organized and named clearly so it's easy to revisit and adjust later as your app grows. When you're ready to check your work, click Run. This executes the workflow so you can verify that the trigger and each action behave as expected. Watch for confirmation messages and review your data to make sure changes landed where you intended. Adjust any settings, then run it again until it's solid. Testing here helps you catch edge cases early and avoid surprises for your users. Once everything looks good, go to the top right and click Publish. Publishing applies your changes so users experience the updated behavior. Take a final moment to confirm you're publishing to the correct app and that your workflow aligns with your data rules and privacy settings. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.